सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल सपोर्ट चैनल को एंड जल्दी से बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए टेक्निकल सपोर्ट के वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to show you that how to make purchase requisition. It's a very simple step. Just follow me. Yeah, open your Ids and choose the material management module. After that, here is the first option, daily entries. After that, choose purchase requisition. Here we go. Select the purchase requisition. Actually, I am in test mode, so that's why this option prompt. Press OK. Yeah, you can see here is the option like new. Otherwise, if you already made a purchase requisition, then please select and choose the modify button. Then you can edit also your purchase requisition. If you are going to make a new purchase requisition, then press new button. Here a new windows opened in front of you. Here is the option of add button. Just press add because you are going to make a new purchase requisition. Requisition date, just simply hit enter. It will automatically get the current date. Requisition reference, simply type a reference, your property, and what is a department. It's a important to choose a department, which departments from you belong. So I simply choose engineering departments, authorized by my manager, name Mr. Rakesh and all. Remarks, if you type extra text over here, then you can type also over here. Otherwise, hit enter. It goes to the store option. Here the three store we have. Basically, the engineering department belongs from main store. So I select simply main store. If you belongs from butchery or catering department, so you can select butchery. I select main store. Here is the item code. If you remember the item code which you want to purchase, so you can directly type the code. Otherwise, you can hit F1 over there or double click on the blank spot of the item code. Yeah, it will ask the item name. Yeah, I can simply type the item name. Otherwise, if I remember the item code, I also search by the item code, but I don't remember. So I am just typing simply that light and hit enter. Yeah, there is several option of light that present in the main store. Yeah, so wall light fitting, I need this one. So I just select it and option select. Yeah, you can see it automatically get the item code and it asks for the brand. If you mention any kind of brand that you need, yeah, I need, so I type simply Philips. Okay, and hit enter. It will goes for the quantity. Yeah, I need 3 Philips wall light, so I say simply quantity of is 3 and its rate is 300. So total price is goes to be 300 into 3. Okay, let me check. Hit enter. Okay, yeah, it says that is quantity and last rate this and the value is 900 exactly. Now you just, if you add more item code, if you need more, then just simply go the item code, double click and do the process again. Same process. Okay, so after all I need just wall light fitting. I have done it. Now I'm going to save this thing. Save, and it generated a requisition number 115826. Please note this requisition number for further help. Press OK and press the print button and press OK. If you choose the print button and OK, it will automatically get printed directly the purchase requisition that you have made now. I don't need it now, just for the test version. Okay, I just press the no button and OK. Yeah, so it's very easy process. You can easily find out this option in Ids module. If you need, I need to change this thing. You can see here my requisition number that I've already told you, that remember this 115826 engineering Devjit, requisition reference Rakesh. If I going to modify, that if I going to change thing, no, I need a wall light, I don't need lower light, I need other things, then you can choose this thing and go to the modify option and do the needful again. Select this wall light fitting. Here you can see this thing, this window can enable you to edit if you want to make other. So double click on it. Light, I need now I need metal light, so I simply choose it and hit enter. Yeah, the quantity 2. Okay, we don't know it rate. Okay, we don't have now. Okay, select another one. I need light. Okay, leather light. Yeah, is quantity 2 and 4076 price. Hit enter. Okay, you can see this leather light has been added. If I going to delete this thing, you can delete this thing and make a fresh requisition. Okay, I think you understood. So if this video is help you, so please subscribe my channel and hit a like button. And if you know more about the material management module, then please leave a comments in a comments box. Thank you for watching my video.